welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing our Friday Freebie special edition. And I've got it marked. We're doing May. So pretty. Okay, but before we do, we have to review where we've been. Our year has been awesome so far in our calendar. We've had so much pretty. I made one and it's hanging on my wall too, just saying. And it's been so much fun to, roll by and see that. Pockets, remember we do the pockets. Through February, we had some pretty cute February girls. March was an interesting month. There's our pocket. March, we had that little red-headed girl and this little girl here. They're both in a sort of the beginning of spring look, right? And then April. So pretty. So pretty. Pocket. I like those stacked image pockets. You know I do. Then we've got our April girls with their umbrellas. Adorable for sure. And we're at May. I'll put her to the side now. May is, well, we're definitely all the way into spring, almost summer kind of vibes, right? So, let me get it up there where you can see the whole thing. I didn't even check that. Okay. Now, May. Okay? So you can see the whole thing. We've got just beautiful summer vibe looks, or late spring, early summer. Just, this is where we're going to put our pocket. Lots of writing space. You can make a whole journal out of this. Just don't put the calendar, or put the calendar and fill it in. We've got just some pretty, we don't want to go to June yet. Don't want to go there. Okay, so let's see. Here's our pocket page. But yeah, May. It's just beautiful. So many things to explore. And like I said, it would make a beautiful journal. Lots of paper dolls you can cut out. But speaking of cutting out, let's make our pocket page, shall we? Okay. How big did I do the other ones? That is my next question. I know it's the whole size of that, but where's my pocket page for April? Because I want to make it the same height, just because I think I did 3, so we'll do 3.5 again again, because that's 3.5 right there. And remember, we don't lose anything because we're stacking the image. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Go to scoreboard mode. Yep, get this out of the way. And, yeah, let me move this a little bit so I don't, my little paper doll fell down. Okay, now, let's see here. We're going to do 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, both sides and the bottom, not the top, of course. Now, we could leave it long enough to where we could fold that over and we could do 1/2 inch on the top, but I haven't done that on any of the other ones, so we're just going to go with this. If you want it to be extra sturdy, I would say instead of doing 3.5, do 4 and then do a score up there for 1/2 inch and fold it under. So, just saying. That's the thing. Yep. We're just going to make our little gusseted pocket so that we can just line it up with the images that we have and make our stacked image pocket. Take that corner out like so, and this one like so. Did I do that to the right place? Yes, I did. Okay, I want to take a little bit of this off up here, just an angle, and then another angle. Okay, now we're about ready to put this together. Tape. I feel like a surgeon now. Okay, we'll put our tape on here and get this together. I hope you guys are using your calendars. I'm using mine in lots of ways. I have them in that book that it's my planner book, and I have them, well, I made a calendar for the wall. You can do all sorts of things with this. It's fun, super pretty, super cute. I mean, really, it's beautiful. The images that I used in here are amazing. And I think I'm pretty much convinced I'm going to do it again next year. Different, but, you know, I think it's just something I want to keep doing because I need it myself. So hopefully you guys can find some use for it. I just think so. Okay. Yep, let's see here. We're going to line up her dress, his legs, her dress, the wall, right? The little sheep critter, the duck even. Okay. Just want to line them all up to where they're together in the right place. Okay, I want to turn this way because I'm going to get this one in first. It's the most complicated because it's that close to the thing, to the coil. Okay, need that edge really good. Okay, now I'm going to poke this under with my doohickey and then press that down. It's pretty close this time, but that's okay. I don't mind. You work with things, right? That's what we do. Okay. We've got that. And that. I love looking back through the calendars and seeing what we've done already and thinking of the ones we haven't done yet. Because, excuse the racket, yeah, we've got a lot more prettiness to go, and yeah, a lot more prettiness to go. Now you can't tell that's a pocket if you don't just know it's a pocket, right? So that's cool. All right, you guys, the freebies are on my website, the Facebook group page, Ko-Fi or Ko-Fi, however you say that. I don't know. I've heard people say it both ways, so it's there. So there you go. May is, excuse my tummy for rumbling. I gotta go get some food. All right. Just cute. It looks like they got a little sass to these girls. I'm just saying. And that's okay. Oh, not June. Not June. Okay. Yeah, I think they got a little sass to them. That's okay. They're adorable. And we've got little critters. Now look, if you wanted to, you could cut these out and have them as paper clips or whatever you want to do. The big ones I have on canvas boards. I've shown you those. They make really beautiful, you know, cut out the paper dolls and put them on something, make a paper clip, whatever you want to do. These I put on canvas boards. I make some smaller, and you can print it out half size, and you get this size, and it's a great, you know, paper clip. Just saying. So there's a lot of uses if you wanted to do a journal or paper dolls or whatever you want to do. It's just beautiful. And so yeah, let's see what we can do in May. There's no telling. We'll do something. You guys make something pretty today. Get your downloads. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.